is all this slobbering and panting?
Isn't it obvious? He's in love.
Trust me, relationships are nothing but pain and misery.
What did I just say? Ah, okay, you win, you win. How is this swimming? See? Just a guy. Ah, okay, you win, you win.